All right, so for this week, you're going to be talking about political and economic ideologies. All right, for this lesson, you have the typical notes and reading, and then there is a quiz this week. So for this lesson, you will want to go through and open up your travel journal. And the travel journals for this unit are pretty simple, just major kind of questions. But for this week, I'm going to be pointing out some other things that you will be wanting to do to help you to understand these 4 questions. Because your quiz does point these things out. So, for capitalism, what you will want to have an understanding of. Yes, get some definitions, but you also might want to draw this picture in your notes. That will be a very helpful visual to help understand how things are decided in the economy and what that looks like, I think is the best way to phrase that simply. Then for socialism, once again, get some definitions, explain it in your own words, but then this visual can be very helpful, kind of breaking it down on what it looks like. Communism, very similar, okay? Similar visual to socialism. Get a definition, get the visual, so you have a really good understanding about who Karl Marx was and what he was believing and what this whole idea of communism is. Then, for how these systems compare, I would write it in our own words to help you really understand, but this chart is incredibly helpful. All right? Drawing this chart in your notes will be very beneficial to you as you go into your assignment and having that understanding for future lessons as we come back to these ideas. After doing your notes, you'll come in and take a short quiz.